guys, my name is Dan. Today I will show you how to create a Windows C# form app.NET framework that can search on Google. So this tutorial will be super easy. ASP.NET is not required, so yeah, we are going to use Visual Studio because Visual Studio is pretty easy to use when it comes to designing these things. Create new project as usual. Now of course we are going to use C#.NET framework. If you haven't used C#.NET framework, then just search Windows winForm. That's right, there we go. Here it is, Windows Form app.NET framework, C#. Create. You can also name your project, but I choose to leave it as it is. Now as you can see here, resize your form. Choose text box. There we go. Choose buttons. Rename your buttons to search. Using system diagnostics. Now as you can see here, add some code. Okay, now now as you can see here, I forgot something. You have to put semicolons into it. Now put this code before your on click button event. Here search Google. Now search Google. Now as you can see here, this button will perform the search if you input a Google search query. Now we are not done yet because as you can see here, this isn't fully complete. So click text box, click the event, the lightning shape button event, click the key down, click the KeyPress. Now I'm going to browse the code. There we go. Now this is the code you need. So what does this code really do is that basically when you press space, it will add the plus. The plus sign is critical because as you can see here, Google, every single search query on every single website uses plus as a space. So yeah, after that, to make searching easier, double click the key down and then so what does this code do is that when you when you press the enter button, it will perform a button click, meaning that it will search it for you. Now double click your form and paste this code or use this code. Hold on. Now as you can see here, copy paste this code right here. The code will be provided in the description below. So what does this does is that basically it silences the ding sound. So every time you press enter, it create a ding sound, and this code right here silence that. Okay, now we're pretty much done right here. Now just run your project. Now I will perform a search, a Google search. As you can see here, it works the way it was. Yep. Now as you can see here, that is pretty much it. This is how you create a C# winForm that can search on Google. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video if your friend really need help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.